So in this video we are again talking about rotations. So we are talking about rotation for insertion. So how do you make it as a AVL tree? That is what my question was, right? How do you make a tree which is not AVL at the first place? So this is what we are discussing now. So rotation for insertion. Let us talk about the RR rotation first. So let me draw the RR rotation. First of all, let me imagine I have this node like this. I have a node like 10, and again let me call it as a 5. So I have this tree like this. Is it again AVL tree? Yeah, it is AVL tree. 0 minus 0, as we discussed in last video, that is the introduction to AVL. I think this just before video that we have discussed how to find the height, right? So it is 0 minus 0, it is 0. So left subtree height is what? 1 minus right subtree is what? 0. So answer would be 0. Since it is acceptable, 1 is acceptable, 0 is acceptable, my own minus 1 is acceptable. So this is a, first of all, it is a AVL tree. So that is what we should have the clarity. Is a AVL tree? It is a AVL tree. So I need to insert one thing, one item I will insert. Let me insert 2 now. Okay, now how do you insert 2 in normal binary search tree? You will go here, find 2 is less than 10. Oh, come to the left subtree, left child. So 5, 2 is again less than 5. So go again left. Since it is null, you can add 2 here. So let us see the AV. What are the left subtree minus right subtree? So if you do left subtree minus right subtree, you will get 0 here. You will get 1 here. You will get 2 here. 2 minus 0, you will get 2 here, which is not acceptable. So what I am going to do is, why it is not acceptable? What is the reason that is making it acceptable? It is because of the left, right? Left, there is a height of the left subtree is what? It is more. That is what my problem is. So what I am going to do? I am going to do right rotation. Right rotation. I said you I am going to do RLL rotation, but here I am telling you right rotation. So another name for LL rotation is what? It is right rotation. So that is what the important thing is. LL rotation means it is right rotation. Another name if I want to give for LL rotation is clockwise rotation. So clockwise rotation. Why clockwise? Let us see how I am going to do rotation. So as I said, it is LL rotation, right? It is let me do right means what I am going to do is, you need to imagine, like you should have great imagination for this. So let me tell you how it works. So this as a left subtree minus right subtree is what? Okay, now here imagine you have a thread. You have a thread. Now what you do is you pull this thread. So I can't draw that hand now, but still I will try to draw. This is a hand of yours. So what you will do is you will pull this thread here. And you will pull this thread by keeping a pointer here. Like it is not an actual pointer like C++ pointer. Just keep another hand here, so that you should get one node here. So you keep one finger here. Okay, let us imagine like that. It is just imagination. You can do whatever. Sorry. Now let us make a finger here. Okay, now you just pull this thread. So what will happen? Is 5 will come here. So 10 will move here since you have pulled down. So now 2 will what happen? It will reach here. So is it a, first of all, binary search tree? Yeah, it is a binary search tree. I have 5 and 2 which is less than 5 and 10 which is greater than 5. Then let us see the left subtree minus right subtree. So it is 0, it is 0. This is also 0. That is 1 minus 1 will be 0. So it is a AVL tree. Yes, it is a AVL tree. It is balanced AVL tree. It is actually balanced binary search tree. So I can tell that. Now let us learn about RR rotation. Same. RR rotation is what? Left rotation. Again, why clockwise rotation? You are pulling it like this, right? You are pulling in this direction. So what is this direction means? It is a clockwise direction. So let us go to the RR rotation. So RR rotation, imagine I have a, like again I have 10 here. Let me take 20 here. So you need to insert a element. Now this is a second topic. So let me insert a node here. So which node I will insert? I will insert 30. So where you will insert? You will come here. You will, since 30 is greater than 10, you will move right. Then again 30 is greater than 20, you should move here. 30 you will get. So now you put the thread here. Because why thread? Because it is what? It is again right. It is a left rotation. That means you should move here, right? This is your hand and keep this finger here. Again you pull this one here. So what you get is 20, right? Let me erase this and let me write here. It is 20 you will get here. So 10 will come down, 10 will come down. So again 30 will remain here. So these are the basic thing that you should definitely know. By using these 4 techniques only, you are solving for bigger problem, right? So don't get confused, be patient. See, whatever you may have doubt, why I should do like that only, right? So don't have that doubt, you should do like this one. So now here the order is 0, here order is 0, then here order is 0. So it is balanced. Now let me take the third point. That third is the LR rotation, right? What is this? LR rotation, left right rotation. So it is a left right rotation. That means what you will do first? You will do left. You will pull left. Then you will pull what? You will pull right. So that is what LR rotation means. Imagine I have a node like this 30, 10. Now I need to add one node. Which is that node I need to add? I need to add say 15. So 15. So 15 will come here. Since 15 is less than 30, it will go to left subtree. Then since 15 is greater than 10, it will come here. So you will get this tree, right? You will get this tree. What you do first? Do left. You will pull left in left direction. You will pull, means you pull left first, then right you pull. So when I do this left pull, then what will happen? 30 will be here. Since I have pulled, I will get 15 here, then 10 here, right? So obvious. Then you do right. So as I said, in LL rotation, what you have done, same thing you will do. And again what you get is 15, right? Here what you get is 10. Again here what you get is 30. So this is what see, these are the most fundamental things that you need to do. LL, RR, LR, it is so much important. Let us go to fourth point, that is RL rotation. First you do right, then left. So imagine I have 30, then imagine I have 40, then I need to insert one element. Let me insert say like 35. Okay, 35 will come here. So 35 is greater than 30, go to right. Then for 35 is less than 40, go come here. So what you do first? You do right rotation. So you do right rotation. So what would you get? You will obviously get again same thing as we did previously. It will 35 will come here, then 40 will come here. Then what you do? You do left pull, left shift you do. So left shift if you do, you will get 35 here, then you will get 30 here, then you will get 40 here. So this is how the tree will look like. So it is order is again left subtree minus R subtree is 0 for all. So it is satisfying AVL. So I have completed all the rotations. So for your convenience, let me do one thing. Let me take a bigger example and solve this, right? Let me take a bigger example. Before that, we need to know the formulas of rotation, right? For insertion formulas, like LL rotation. You have learned. What if my tree is big? That is what my problem. For 3 nodes you have learned. So it is a basic thing. I will give again. This is again same thing you need to follow. Why you need to learn this is so much important. Do you think that to learn AVL, if you learn this, not only AVL tree that you are going to learn, you are going to actually learn the 2-3 trees that I am going to cover in next coming videos, or 2-3-4 trees, and even red black trees that I am going to cover, right? That is for this. These are the fundamentals. So this video will be fundamentals for next coming 10-15 videos, I think. So let us go to LL rotation. LL rotation is what? Rotation, right? LL rotation. Now imagine I have it is like a formula I can take. A, right? left child is what B, so left child is what C. So now A as a right child, let me call it as a AR. Why? A's right child. So B as a right child, let me call it as a BR. And C as a left child, let us call it as a CL, left child. So it has a right child, let me call it as a CR. So what you do, you know what you need to do. LL rotation means you will make sure that you will pull like this. So if you pull like this, so it is so much important. If you pull like this, which would be the node? B would be node. Definitely it is node. Since B comes between A and C in data wise, so in data wise also it will come. So it can have the ability to become root node. So it can be. So your problem is not B becoming root. Your problem would be what you are going to do with this child of B. So right child of B, what you are going to do. So that is the most important thing. So let me write B here. So as I said, B as C, right? B as C. So forget about this. Since I am doing left LL rotation, you need to make sure. That is why I completed in previous. I think for a while I was discussing about this. So that is a basic for this, and this will become basic for next videos. So B will come here, A will come here as usual, as you learned in previous class, that is in previous just 5 minutes ago. So you will get like this, right? So it is good if you know. Then A as what? AR. So I will take AR. So there is no problem for me to take AR. So I will take AR. So C has what? C has left child and right child. CL, then what? CR. Okay, this is CR. Now what about BR? BR is what? So for this, let me explain. Let me clear some space here so that it will be easier to add BR. So now I will add A here, then AR, where it will be? It will be here, AR. So AR would be here. Now what I am going to do is, I will take again same thing, same rope you have. Imagine you are pulling it from this side, right? You are pulling it from this side. Imagine there is a stick here. There is a stick here. It is attached in this direction. So when you pull this here, so what will happen to that stick? Stick will come here. Stick will come here. Obviously, it will come here. So here, imagine that stick as BR. So when you pull like this, it will come here. So that is what the most important thing that you need to remember. This is how it works, and this will work for all the height of the trees. So what I said first, it is fundamental for this. So what I am saying now, it is a fundamental again for the coming bigger problems. So let me see what I can do for LR, right? You saw LL, now LR. Let me take LR. So imagine I have again A, then again B I have, then I have AR, now I have BL, now I have C, then I have CL, then I have CR, right? CR. Here I need to do LR rotation. LR rotation I need to perform. So you would be confused, right? Why you need to use LR rotation? Because ABC, see the ABC how it is aligned. So it is aligned like this. So if you come up and see the AVL tree that we discussed, right? If it is aligned like this, what you are going to do? You are going to do LR. Obviously, you are going to do LR. So again, I will push B to the root node, A to the right child. Again, C should be the left child. This is what we know, right? Now, actually, how it works? First of all, pull it to left. So C should come here. Then B will go down. Like if A, again, as I said, I will show that itself in that diagram. See, first 15, put 15 here, then put 10 down. Then you do normal right rotation. So similarly, I will do. So similarly, if I do, I would get, what is the root for me? C will go here, right? B will come here. So if I do right, then what would happen? It C will be root, so I will write C as a root. A is it's a right child, so A is a right child. There is no problem for this. B is a left child, B is a left child. No, there is no problem. Again, B as BR, so there is no problem for that also. So sorry, BL it has, so it has BL. So let me take it as a BL. Now C again, AR as what? AR, there is no problem for me. I will take AR. Now C. C is there, right? C is there. Now this thing is there, right? This thing has where this child will go. That is your question. That is what our problem is, right? There you moved to the right, like stick you imagined, as I said. So similarly, CR should move where? It will definitely move to the as a left child of A. So there is no doubt. There is no doubt here. It will move here. So, but where is right CL will move? CL will move here itself. Here itself it will move. So this is what you should learn. Actually, it is a thing. It is standard thing that we need to learn. So CR. This is again C. This is what? This is CR. This is CM. This is how LR rotation works. So LR rotation works like this. So let us go to our question. That is, I have given some keys. This is a final thing I am going to cover in this rotation topic. So I have given some keys, man. I have some keys like 10. Let us take 20. Let us take 30. Let us take 25. Let us take 28. Let us take 27. Let us take 5. Now I will add first node. That is what 10. Okay, I added. Now let me add here. So I will take 10 here. Now 20. 20 should come left or right? It should come definitely to right. There is no doubt here, right? It should come here. So every time you will add this node, right? Every time you need to check whether there is a distortion from AVL tree or not. So initially, even if you add node like a root node like 10, what it has? 0 it has. So left child subtree minus right child subtree is what? 0. Okay, fine. And now I will add since it satisfies, then I will go to next node, that is next key, that is 20. I will take 20 here since 20 is greater than 10. So again check. Here I will get 0. Here directly I am going to write from now because I have discussed enough. So you can write directly here. It will be -1. So is it a satisfied thing? Yeah, I am satisfied with this. So let me erase this thing again. Let me now what? Now 30. 30 should come where? It should come here. It should come here. So is it somewhere? There is some problem here, right? You can, by looking at the tree only, you can guess the problem. So here it is going to -2, which unsatisfies the AVL condition. So what you do? It is like right skew tree, right? What you are going to perform? You are going to perform LL rotation, right? Sorry, RR rotation means you will move to left. So you move to the left. So now I have a tree that is looks like this, and it is balanced. That is what the most important thing. The position of the elements is not my objective here. Position of the elements are not important. Reducing time is my objective here. So I will get the result as this one. Now I need to add 25. Where I need to add? So 25 will come here. So 25 is greater than 20. It will go here. So 25 is less than 30. It will come here. So again 25 will come here. The left subtree minus R subtree is 0. Here also 0. Here 1 minus 0 1. Here 1 minus 2. It will be -1. So is it a satisfied thing? Is it satisfied? Yeah, it will satisfy. Now so I will rub this again. Since it satisfies, I will take this as a, again this is my, now it is my tree looks like this. Now I need to add 28. So where you will add? You will go here. So 28 is greater than 20, right? I will go here. then 28 is less than 30, I will go here. So 28 is what? 20 is greater than 25. So let's, by looking at this only, you can find, say, there is some balance error. So now 0. Now what? 1 minus 1 minus 1. Now what? 2. This is what, the left subtree height is what? It is 1, 2 minus 0. I will get 2, which is not a good thing for me, right? It is not at all a good thing for me. So here only it will fails. So if I extend here also, 1 minus 1 to 3, 3, it will be what? Minus 2. Again, I am failing the savior 3 here. Now what I need to do? That is my question. What I need to do is, see, what I do is, why you are getting, first of all, the error, that is, it is not satisfying AVL tree, because of this addition of 25, right? So let us trace back this 25 and let's collect some 3 nodes. So see, it is just like what we have did here. What you will do here, you will do left first, then right first, right second. So as usual, again, the fundamental basic thing that I need to tackle is, I should know this. If I know this thing, RL rotation, then directly I can take right, I can write like this. So I will take right like this. So let me do it. So what I will make is, 20 will be here itself. Now what? 10 will be here. Then it will go here. 20 here. What is this? It is 28, right? So 28. And 28 will move here. So 25 will come here. Then I will push it again. 28 should come here for me. 28 should come here. Now 25 will come here. 25 will come here. Now 30 will come here. So 30 will come here. So let me see whether it is balanced. 0, 0. This is also 0. 1 minus 2, that is also minus 1. So it is good, right? I will take this tree and further I will continue. What I need to add? 27 I need to add. Okay, I will add 27. So where I will add? Directly let me add 27. It will come here, it will go here. So it is this again, here I have 25. So 27 will come here. So 20, if 27 comes here, it is 0. 1 minus 0 minus 1 is what? Minus 1. This is 0 and this is what? 2 minus 1 is what? 1. Now what? Here it is 0. 1 minus 1 to 3, that is 1 minus 3 is what? Minus 2. So it is not satisfying. So what I need to do? I need to look out what is the mistake here first of all, right? What was the mistake that caused this distortion from AVL tree, right? Now by adding 25 I got this. Adding 25 I got this minus 2, which will not satisfy. Now let us trace this. Let's see some notes. I will collect these notes, man. I will collect these 3 notes. So it is just like we did here RL rotation, right? Right, left. Here I will do right, left. Sorry. Here we did LR rotation, I think. See, here what we did, LR rotation. So here now I have condition of RL rotation. So you can see here RL rotation, these notes. So I will make 25 here, right? 25 here. Then 20. So this is how you can solve this. You can solve this by this one, by this second step. What I said, I took bigger examples, right? By these formulas you can solve. You can again need again practice for doing so. So don't get disappointed if you are not able to do this. So you need to practice. That's it. Now I will move 25 here and 28 here. So then I will do left rotation. I will get 28 here. So let me write 28 here. Right, 28 I will get here. So I will move 25 here. So actually what I am doing is, I will move 25 here and I will move 28 here. So if I do left, then 25 should come here, right? 25 should come here. So 25 will come here, right? 25 will come. So what is the left? So 20 will move down, right? Definitely. If 25 is here, 28 is here. Imagine, one step I am skipping, just to make sure you understand how without doing much more steps you can do. See, 25 will come here, 24 will move there. I have already discussed this. So imagine like that. I have a tree like that. So then what I do is, 20 will come here, right? 20 should come here. So 20 is connected to what? 10. Normally you take 10, there is no problem in this. Now 25 is here, right? So 25 is connected to us, 28. Imagine you are connected to 28, right? 28. Now 28 is connected to what? 28 is connected to 25. So forget about this. Now it is connected to 30. So my problem, let me tell my problem. What is my problem? My problem is the thing that is connected to 25, that is 27. Right child of 25, where you are going to put? That is my problem. So what I need to do is simple, again simple. I will make it to point to 28 pi. Why I am going to do like that? Because see, initially what I had here 28. Now I am talking about this diagram 28. Now 25. So why you are adding 25 here? It is less than 28, right? That is why you are adding 25. So whatever is left child, that is less than that one. So left child, so 25 as right child as 27. That means what? 27 is greater than 25, right? It is greater than 25, right? You know that. Now, what I can say is 27 lies between 28 and 25. Why? Why I said that? So definitely 27 is greater than 25, right? So there is no problem. Why it is greater, less than 28? Why it should be less than 28? Because it is coming to at left child, as a left subtree it is coming. So if you consider this node left subtree, all the elements in left subtree should be less than 28, right? So 27, obviously any element, whatever it, let it be, it will be less than 28. So if it is less than 28, let me make it as a left child of 28. So where you will take, you can take here 27, but it is more appropriate, right? This is more appropriate. And even if you take it as 27, here you have 25. So here as a left subtree it has 27, right? If I consider like this, so that is my problem. That is my problem. 25 is what? It should, whatever is there in the left subtree, what it should be? Less than 25. But here I have 27 which is greater than 25, which is not a good thing. So this is my final tree. Actually, let me again, I think I have missed some element. So I need to add what? 5. I need to add 5. So it is interesting. Let me add 5 here. So I should add 5 here. So when I add 5 here, it will be 0. It will be 1. It will be 2. Again, this will be what? 3. What this will be? It will be 0. And actually this is 0. This is 0. This is how it looks. So here I since I got 3, since I got 2, there only AVL is failed, right? If you get greater than 1, less than minus 1, then it is failed. Should get minus 1, 0 and 1. So 5. Now you see there is 3 nodes here. It is so much simple again. I will do what? LL, right? LL directly. So if I do LL, 10 will be root and 5 and 20 will come side by side. So 25, let me do it here. So 25 would be here. Then left would be what? Since I have done this thing, 10 will come here. Then 20 will be here. Then what? Then 5 will be here. Then again this will be 28 will be here. Then what? 27 is here. Then 30 is here. So I have did. I have established a tree. If you are going to draw in normal binary search tree, like imagine how much it can go, like 10, take 20, again 30, again what? 35 I think. So 30, sorry, it is 20, 30, then 25, you will come here, and 25 is greater than 30, you will add here 25. Now 28, you will come here, and you will go 28 is less than this, but it is greater than this. So 28. Now what? 27. Now again you should go here. Then 27 is greater than this one. You should come here. You go 27. And last thing is 5. You will add the here only 5. Height is what? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is reaching till 5. Let's see this one. It is 0, 1, 2. So what is the time complexity? It has reduced it like drastically. So next what I am going to talk is rotation for deletion. So these topics are so much important to cover that topic. So think if you practice once, it will be great.